Hi guys, welcome to HowToPedia channel. Today I'm going to share a master tricks on MS Word which is unknown to about 90% people. Maybe 10% people knows about it. Before going to share the tutorial, please subscribe my channel. This is my request to everyone. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment and share. As I said, master tricks on MS Word. That means a master tricks on copy paste. Today I'm going to share a copy paste as different types. You can laugh that copy paste tricks. This is so simple, but I am going to show you a magical copy paste. As generally we know, Control C and Control V means usually I do copy and do paste. Another tricks we usually know shift plus end button and shift plus home button. You can easily copy and copy the sentence and uncopy the sentence. But sometimes we need these types of copy paste as like column copy and paste and selection copy paste. It's needed. Now I am going to show this type of copy paste. One column copy and paste and selection copy and paste. Okay, now how will we do? Let's go to the MS Word file. You see here we can easily copy and paste through cursor, then Control C, and Control V. And when we need the copy the full text sentence, then we use usually shift plus end button, then it can easily copy the whole sentence. And if we need uncopy the whole sentence, then you can easily do that through shift plus home button. But these tricks knows every person. But now I am going to show you special master tricks on copy and paste, that is column copy and paste. Okay, here you see this is one column, middle column, left column, middle column and right column. And when we need to copy this word and this word UK and India, and you see that whole row is selected, but I want to select just UK and India, not Singapore or Bhutan or Dubai. How? This is magic. You have to follow. What will you do? Just go to the keyboard and click Alter button. Just keep cursor in front of USA and press Alter button and down the cursor from top to bottom this way. Okay, then Control and C. You see now Control and Control plus V. Sorry, Control plus Alt plus cursor down from top to bottom, then Control C, then Control and V. See how the process. If we need to copy the middle, you follow the same way. Press Alter key, then use the cursor from top to bottom and Control C and copy Control and okay. This is the simple way, but very interesting tricks. If we need to copy the middle column and right column or last column, then you follow the same rules. That is, press Alter, keep cursor here, press Alter, and use the cursor, then Control C. Now Control V. Okay, this is the column copy and paste tricks. Now I'm going to show another one, that is selection copy and paste. Suppose go to the any paragraph, then select the specified word. You choose the it's like because uh, how will you choose? Just go to the keyboard and press Ctrl key and double click the cursor on the word. I choose because, double click on because, cursor on because word, and I can choose optimistic this word. Double click, then market, double click, then potential, double click, then delivery, double click, on the word through Control key, pressing the Control key and double click the cursor. Now copy the word, Control C and Control V. Control V. Okay, here we post we paste the words as like here Control C, because optimistic market potential delivery ready, paste here through a column, in a column. By this way you follow the master tricks on copy paste. Okay guys, the new friends who are watching my tutorial, please do not go without click subscribe button, and make sure that click on the notification bell so that when I will upload any video or tutorial, you will be notified immediately from this notification bell. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and wait for my next video.